So here's another parcel from Amazon we bought. It's the motion sensor lights. So I was looking to see how we can save up on electricity by adding these lights to our house. We've got two of them. So these are Panasonic 9 volts lights. They cost around 168. We got it for 168 for one. Cost price is 700 here, maximum selling price. So 9 volts one. The good part about this is when you keep the switch on, and if there's any movement below that, it will automatically light on, and after 15 seconds it will go off. So it has a 3 meters radius for the sensor area, and it's LED. So let's show you how it works. So here I put it on the pathway right up there. It takes a 3 meter radius movement, so I'm standing a bit far. So now the switch is already on, so as I go close by, see it lit up. So I'm pretty far away from the bulb, but it's still lit up because I was in 3 meter radius. So the switch is on. If I put it off, it will not light up. But if I put it on, now it didn't light up because there's no movement. The minute I move, see it lit. So it's working well. It's good to save on electricity, and it's good to buy also. This is just 9 volts bulb. It's brightened up everything. Go ahead, click the link in the description and the product section and buy it for your house. Thank you.